Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to remove multiple accounts on Facebook. To start, open your Facebook app on your mobile device. Here, tap on three horizontal lines on your top right. Now go to your profile and tap to switch your account. As you can see, my other account has been opened. Because they are linked with single tap, I don't have to enter my complete login information every time to open my accounts. Continue using the data. Now I am switching back to my previous account. After this, open Settings, then go to Personal and Account Information. Then tap to open Account Ownership and Control. Here, go to Deactivation and Deletion. Then go to Delete Account. Continue to account deletion. Your multiple accounts will be deleted at once. Thanks! Leave a like, subscribe, and share.